Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you love DIY, home decor, and making unique handmade pieces, today's video is just for you. We'll dive into the world of rustic wood craft project ideas, focusing not only on how to style them in modern homes, but also on how to turn these projects into profitable items that actually sell. Rustic design is timeless. It blends the warmth of nature with modern clean lines, creating spaces that feel both cozy and stylish. In this video, we'll cover why rustic wood is trending, what materials to use, step-by-step project ideas, styling tips, and strategies for selling your crafts online or locally. We are curious which designs you like the most. Could you write them in the comments below? Why rustic wood works in modern decor. Rustic wood has something that modern manufactured furniture lacks: character and history. The grain, knots, and imperfections tell a story. When placed in a modern room full of straight lines and smooth finishes, that rustic touch becomes a warm focal point. Think about it. A distressed wood bench in a sleek hallway instantly makes the space welcoming. A wooden chandelier frame brings natural charm to a modern dining room. Even a simple reclaimed wood shelf transforms a minimalist office into a cozy work area. This combination is exactly why rustic modern style has exploded on Pinterest, Instagram, and Etsy. It's beautiful, versatile, and personal. Materials you'll need. Starting a rustic wood project doesn't require expensive materials. In fact, many of the best rustic crafts come from reclaimed or recycled wood. Here's a breakdown. Reclaimed barn wood or pallets, affordable and sustainable. Finishes, natural oils, beeswax, or matte sealants keep that raw look. Basic tools: saw, sander, drill, clamps, wood glue, and brushes. Optional extras: iron handles, leather straps, jute rope, stencils, or metal legs. Tip: always sand your reclaimed wood properly. This not only smooths the surface, but also makes it safe and easy to finish. Rustic wood craft project ideas. Let's talk about actual project ideas you can make at home. Some are beginner-friendly and others are more advanced. Rustic floating shelves. Easy to make, practical, and one of the top-selling crafts online. Pair with matte black or gold brackets for a modern vibe. Wooden serving trays. Add metal handles, stain the wood, and you've got a beautiful piece for kitchens or coffee tables. Perfect gift item and great seller at craft fairs. Rustic candle holders. Drill tea light holes into a wood block or carve small logs. These are small, easy-to-ship items that sell extremely well online. Barnwood coffee table. Larger project, but with high resale value. Rustic tabletop with modern iron or glass legs equals best of both worlds. Planter boxes and stands. Indoor and outdoor planters are trending. Mix rustic wooden boxes with sleek ceramic pots for a modern touch. Rustic wall art. Use stencils, inspirational quotes, or geometric designs. These are lightweight and always in demand for modern homes. Mirror frames. Rustic wood frames add texture to bathrooms and bedrooms. Distressed white paint over wood creates a farmhouse modern look. Rustic coat racks. Add vintage hooks to a simple plank of wood. Perfect entryway piece, functional and stylish. Rustic wooden clocks. Use a round wood slab, add clock hardware, and you've got a unique rustic modern wall clock. Wine racks. Rustic wine holders are very popular for kitchens and dining rooms. Each of these projects can be adapted depending on your skill level and the materials you have on hand. Styling and decoration tips. Once you've made your rustic wood crafts, the next step is styling them. Here's how to make sure they shine in modern spaces. Keep it neutral. Pair rustic wood with whites, grays, and blacks for that modern contrast. Mix materials. Wood plus glass plus metal equals instant industrial rustic look. Less is more. Don't overcrowd the space. Let 1 or 2 rustic pieces be the highlight. Layer textures. Combine wood with fabrics like linen, cotton, or wool. Add greenery. Plants in rustic planters bring life and color to the natural tones of wood. Selling tips and market trends. If you're making these projects to sell, here are some strategies to keep in mind. Focus on trending items. Shelves, trays, candle holders, and wall art are always in demand. Etsy and online platforms, perfect for reaching international buyers. Local craft fairs, great for testing which products people love most. Offer personalization. Names, dates, or quotes increase value and emotional connection. Quality photos. A rustic craft will sell much faster if presented with clean, modern photography. Bundle products, sell sets, like 3 candle holders or 2 shelves, for higher profit margins. Bonus tip. In 2025, minimalist rustic designs are trending. Simple geometric wall art and raw wood shelves with clean finishes are top sellers. Conclusion. So there you have it. Rustic wood craft project ideas that bring warmth into modern homes while also creating opportunities to sell handmade products. Whether you're decorating your own space or looking to start a craft business, rustic wood is a timeless, profitable, and fun medium to work with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY and home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.